Hello YouTube family. Today we are going to review these neon skates. We got these from Yvolution and they also sent us this really cool flip up train. It's not only one but two. We also got some cool Twista skates. They look like this. And I am so excited to unbox these. These are neon and they light up. There's one for me and one for my brother Wahad. Hello Wahad.
Hello.
So I got these really cool pink ones. Oh my god. Look at the colour. They are beautiful. And Wahad got these really cool green ones. They also light up, look. You won't be able to see them because it's quite bright out here, but they light up so much. They look so cool. I wonder how the actual shoe's gonna be. Let's open it.
So let's open them.
Wow!
These are
Look
so
at
cool.
them.
I can't wait to wear them.
These ones light up as well. What? These are so cool. Get the other one. You can change these as well because when you get them, they have like these ones on, but you can unscrew them and you can put these ones on, and they're rollerblades. And you can just take them off or you can add them on, and these are really cool, the colour, and we're just really excited to wear them.
Yeah.
Let's open my ones now.
Okay, so now let's open yours.
Wahad has extras as well. You can put these on if you don't want to wear them, and then they become rollerblades because these are roller skates. They have 4 wheels, and these ones can turn them into rollerblades, and these will be very cool.
Okay, so now let's open yours.
I really like mine because they're decorated.
Why?
I get 2 as well. You see, there's 2 light up ones and there's 2 non-light up ones, and only one of them has the one that helps you start. Whoa! They look so good. I love it. The combination is just amazing. When you roll it, they light up too. I'm so excited to try these on. Look at how decorated they are. I really like how they decorated it. And look, they've even got such a cute flower on the back. I love how it's decorated, and you can just push this button and it extends if your foot is bigger. And when you click this button here, you can pull it off, and you can take it off so it's easier to wear, and you can just put it back in as well. And you can tighten it and everything. I just love them so much. I like how they've got like such a nice theme. It's like a white and it's a pink, and Wahad has a green and black. And look at the decoration on here. It's like a computerish theme.
Yeah, it's like a game.
Yeah, it's like a game-ish theme. And he also has like green stop on one blade. So when you want to stop, you click that blade, and the other one helps you roll it and stop. I can't wait to try these on. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
I'm excited too. Let's go! Wow, look at my skates.
Wow.
They're so cool. I'm so excited. And they're lighting up. What? Ooh. Thank you so much for watching, YouTube family. We enjoyed it, and thank you so much for Yvolution for sending us these. We loved it, and it was so exciting unboxing everything.